We now continue with our operations and algebraic expressions and identities. So we had done up till now the addition, subtraction, and then the multiplication of algebraic expressions. But in multiplication we had done only multiplication of a monomial with a binomial or trinomial. So in that case we saw that if I want to multiply A with B plus C, I multiply A with B and then A with C. Accordingly, I'll get AB plus AC. This is the answer for multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. Now we are going to see how to multiply a binomial with a binomial and then a trinomial with a binomial. So first thing is, if I got A plus B multiplied by C plus D, in this case, what I'll do is, I will split the first or the second bracket. It's my choice. I can split any of them. So suppose I split the first bracket into two parts and then multiply the first thing with this one and the second one this way. So it will be this way. It will be A into bracket C plus D. Yeah, because now it is plus B into bracket C plus D. Now this becomes a monomial into binomial. So again it will be what? A into C and A into D, that is AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. So this is the answer for this multiplication. Got it? I'll show you once again. It is A minus B into C minus D. So this into one bracket and this into the whole bracket. So it will be A into C minus D minus B into C minus D. Okay, the bracket got split into two parts, A over here and minus B over here. Multiply this is AC minus AD minus BC plus BD, because minus into minus is plus. So that's the answer for a binomial to binomial multiplication. Understood? We'll see further is a binomial to a trinomial multiplication. So let's consider you have got it as A plus B multiplied by X plus Y plus Z. Okay. So again we are going to do the same thing. A multiplied by the whole bracket and B multiplied by the whole bracket. So it will be A into bracket X plus Y plus Z plus B X plus Y plus Z. So now we are going to multiply A with X, A with Y and A with Z, B with X, B with Y and B with Z. So it will be AX plus AY plus AZ plus BX plus BY plus BZ. That's the final answer. You now just need to check up if there is any common variable over here, then you need to add them up. Like if this would have been some, if there is a common variable, you can add that thing up. I'll show it once again when you are taking one of the minus signs so that confusion is not there. So we take over here A minus B into X plus Y minus Z. So it will be A into X plus Y minus Z minus B X plus Y minus Z. Multiplying this we get as AX plus AY minus AZ minus BX minus BY plus BZ. That's the answer. Easy, right? Just need to split that bracket into parts and multiply with the other parts which are given to you. Okay, so with this we will start with our exercise, that is exercise 10.3. So in exercise 10.3, let us do the alternate sums. So today we will do all the second sums. So first ka second and fourth. So it will be first ka second. That is AX plus B by cx plus d. By means multiplication, okay? By is multiplication, so not a problem at all. So it is ax plus b into cx plus d. So ax into cx plus d plus b cx plus d. That gives me as acx square plus adx plus bcx plus bd. There is nothing which is common which can be added up, so we keep everything as it is. You can, if you want, you can write this over here as acx square plus ad plus bcx plus bd. Not required as such, but anyway, not required. Don't do this. Okay, we take this as the answer. I'll check up with the bets, right? So, yeah, they have taken it common. So here you have to take it this way. Okay, you take it this way. So what you have done is that you can see that x over here and x over here is the common thing over here. So that's why you're taking it common and taking the answer like this. Fourth sum. It is 2x square plus 3 into 3x minus 5. So splitting the thing, let's take this and split that. So it is 3x, 2x square plus 3 minus 5, 2x square plus 3. I just wanted to show you that you can take any of them. You can split any of them. It is not necessary that you split only the first one. You can split even the second one. So that's why I just taken it this way. So it's your choice. It's absolutely your choice which you want to split. So 3 into 2 is 6, x into x square is x raised to 3, plus 3 3s are 9, so 9x, minus 10x square minus 15. So normally what we'll do is that we'll take x square here and 3 here because x cube, x square, वैसे descending order of the degree में रहेगा तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है आंसर. So therefore the answer will be 6x cube minus 10x square plus 9x minus 15. That is sum number first ka fourth sum. Okay, now we see the sum number sixth of the first sum. Three upon 7 p square plus 4q square into by 7 into p square minus 3 upon 4 q square. So this is nothing but 3 upon 7 p square plus 4q square into 7p square minus 21 upon 4q square. Because 7 you multiplied inside. Now 3 upon 7p square into bracket 7p square minus 21 4 upon 4q square plus 4q square 7p square minus 21 upon 4q square. Multiplying this, we get it as 3 upon 7 into 7, p raised to 4, 7 cancels, minus 3 upon 7 into 20, minus here 21 upon 4, p square q square. So here this cancels to 3, plus 4 into 7 q p square q square minus 4 q square, 4 into 21 upon 4 q raised to 4. So this gives you 3p raised to 4 minus 9 upon 4 p square q square plus 28 p square q square minus 21 q raised to 4. Now these two are like terms. So this is going to give you LCM as 4. So 28 will be multiplied by 4. So that will give you as 112. So 3p raised to 4 minus 9p square q square plus 32, 8, 9, 11. 112 p square q square whole upon 4 minus 21 q square. So the final answer will be 3p4 minus. Now this one, we will subtract this thing to get it as plus 103 upon 4 p square q square minus 21 q raised to 4. I'll just check up the answer. So we have in exercise 10.3, this was 6x cube minus 10x squared plus 9x plus 6, and there's 3x, right, this is the right answer. We now move on to the second part, which is a multiplication of trinomial with a binomial. Question number 2 का second. It is 3 minus 5x plus 2x square by 4x minus 5. So it's better to split this one. So we have it as 4x 3 minus 5x plus 2x square minus 5 3 minus 5x plus 2x square. You multiply this thing, so 4 3s are 12, so it is 12x minus 20x square, because 4 into 5 is 20, x into x is x square. 4 into 2 is 8, so it is plus 8x cube. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. Minus into minus is plus 25x. Minus 10x square. You can see the common terms over here are this one. So that will give you 12 plus 25 is 37x. This is x square and this is x square. So it is minus 30x square plus 8x raised to 3 minus 15. So putting it in the ascending order, we get 8x cube minus 30x square plus 37x minus 15 as the answer. We check up the answer. It is 8x cube minus 30x square plus 37x minus 15. We now see the multiplication of trinomial with a trinomial. Okay. Trinomial with a trinomial, so it is sum number 3, sorry. Sum number 3 का second. Two minus 3y minus 5y square by 2y minus 1 plus 3y square. We'll split any one of them. So let's take this one. So it will be 2 into 2y minus 1 plus 3y square minus 3y, 2y minus 1 plus 3y square minus 5y square, 2y minus 1 plus 3y square. Got it? Easy thing. This first term multiply by the whole thing, second term multiply by the whole thing, third term multiply by the whole thing. Now open the brackets. So this into this, this into this, this into this. So it will be 2 2s are 4. So it will be 4y minus 2 plus 6y square minus 6y square plus 3y minus 9y cube minus 10y cube plus 5y square minus 15y raised to 4. Hope you understood the step. It's simple. 2 into 2y is 4y, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 3y is 6y square. 3 2s are 6, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, y into y is y square. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3y. Minus 3 into 3 is 9, minus 9, and y into y square is y cube. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10, and y square into y is y cube. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5, y square into 1 is y square. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 15, y square into y square is y raised to 4. Taking the like terms together, we'll start the one which is the biggest one, or we'll start with the smallest one. So anyway, both are negative, doesn't matter. We'll start with this one. So it is minus 15y raised to 4. Then cube में क्या है, ये और ये, that is minus 19y raised to 3. Y square में ये दोनों है, which is getting cancelled, so 0. You don't need to write it. And then y में है 4y and 3y, so 4y and 3y. Oh, one sec. Y square में ये भी है, so it will be, ये दोनों cancel हुआ पर ये रहेगा, तो it will be plus 5y square. y के अंदर है ये और ये, that is 4y plus 3y 7y and minus 2. So that's the answer for the trinomial into trinomial multiplication. Question number 3 ka first. So 3 ka second is minus 15y raised to 4 minus 19y cube plus 5y square plus 7y minus 2. Clear? Got it? Now we see the sum number 4th, where you got multiple things which you are multiplying together. So let's see. Question number 4, second sum. X plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 4, x minus 4. We'll take this 2 and this 2 separately and multiply them first. So it is x into x minus 3 plus 3 x minus 3. This is one bracket. In the second bracket we have got x into x minus 4 plus 4 x minus 4. This adds to x square minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. This to x square minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. Minus 3x plus 3x cancel. This cancels. So it will be x square minus 9 into x square minus 16. So it will be x square minus 16 minus 9 x square minus 16. X square into x square is x raised to 4 minus 16x square minus 9x square plus 16 9s is 144. These two are like terms, so it will be x raised to 4 minus 25x square plus 144. That's the answer for sum number 4th for second sum. Sum number 4th, second sum is x square minus 25x square plus 144. We move on to sum number 4. P plus Q minus 2R into 2P minus Q plus R. 2P minus Q plus R minus 4QR. Okay, that's the question. So first we multiply this 2, we get it as P into 2P minus Q plus R plus Q into 2P minus Q plus R minus 2R 2P minus Q plus R minus 4QR. Okay, splitting this in, so this P plus this, P into this, Q into this, and minus 2 into this. That's a, you multiply this thing, so you get it as 2P square minus PQ plus PR plus 2PQ minus Q square plus QR minus 4PR plus P2QR minus 2R square minus 4QR. Like terms, we can see the squares are unlike completely, so we'll just write them first. So 2P square minus Q square minus 2R square. यानी ये गया, ये गया, ये गया. Now PQ. Let's take PQ. This is PQ. This is PQ. That's it. So it is minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. So plus PQ. Now you take PR. PR over here and PR over here. No other PR. So it is PR plus minus 4 PR is minus 3 PR. Now QR. QR plus 2R is 3PQ, 3QR minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus QR. So that's the final answer as 2P square minus Q square minus R 2R square minus plus PQ. So it is 2P square minus Q square minus 2R square plus PQ minus QR minus 3PR. That was sum number 4th ka 4th. We now move on to sum number 4th ka 6th, which is quite a huge one. Come on, let's do it. Sixth one. X plus y plus z into x minus y plus z plus x plus y minus z into minus x plus y plus z minus x plus y plus z minus 4zx. First this two, x into x minus y plus z plus y into x minus y plus z plus z into x minus y plus z. Now this two plus, so this is one part, plus x into minus x plus y plus z plus y into minus x plus y plus z minus z into minus x plus y plus z minus 4 xz zx. Opening multiplication now. X into x, x square, x into y minus xy, x into z plus xz plus y into x is xy minus y square plus yz plus xz minus yz plus z square. That is one particular part. This thing. I write in the next line plus minus x square minus xy plus xz, sorry, plus xy plus minus xy plus y square plus yz minus plus xz minus yz minus z square minus 4zx. You can see minus xy plus xy cancels, xz yz cancels. Over here xy cancels, yz cancels. So what remains over here is x square plus xz minus y square plus, xz and xz are there, so 2xz minus y square plus z square plus, or we'll just open the bracket directly, minus x square xz plus xz 2xz, so plus 2xz plus y square minus z square minus 4xz plus y square minus y square x square minus x square z square minus z square. So this will be 2xz plus 2xz is 4xz minus 4xz. Wow, answer is 0. Okay, so yeah, surely the answer is 0. We now move on to the last, that is question number 5. If two adjacent sides of a rectangle are this and this, find its area. So we know that adjacent side of the rectangle, our length is equals to 5x square plus 25xy plus 4y square, and breadth is equals to 2x square plus, minus 2xy plus 3y square. So we know that area is equals to length into breadth. So that is equals to 5x square plus 25xy plus 4y square into 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. So we get over here 5x square into 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 25xy 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4y square 2x square minus 2xy plus 3y square. So that's trinomial to trinomial multiplication. This into the whole bracket, this into the whole bracket, this into the whole bracket. Now multiplying each of them, so we get 5 to the 10, so 10x raised to 4, 5 to the 10 again, so minus 10, x raised to 3y, 5 is the 15, so 15 x square y square plus 50 x cube y minus 50 x square y square plus 75 xy cube plus 8x square y square minus 8xy cube plus 12y raised to 4. So 10x raised to 4 is going to be alone x cube and कहीं पे भी ये है, that's it, this one and this one, so that will give you as plus 40x cube y, x square y, x square y, x square y, so this will be 5 minus 50, so minus 45 plus 8, minus 45 and plus 8 will be 37, so minus 37. Okay, it is this way. This is 5, this is 8. 5 and 8 is 13. 13x square y square. और ये minus 50. So 50 minus 13 is 37. So minus 37 x square y square. अब xy cube over here and here. 75 minus 8. 75 minus 8 is 67. So it is plus 67 xy cube. So this is done and this is done. Plus 12y raised to 4. This is the final answer for the area. So area according to the thing will be, final answer will be 10 x raised to 4 plus 40 x cube y plus 67 xy cube plus 27 x square y square 27, oh sorry, and 12y cube. 27 कैसे? 27 50 45 37 आएगा, 27 का सर, एक मिनट ना, you just find out. 5, okay, it's 5 to 15, sorry, this is 15. I'll write with another pen. This is 15, so that's why this will be 27. Okay, this was the answer. So that was the end of exercise 10.3, which was about multiplication. We'll continue with the division of the algebraic expressions in the next video.